Everybody knows a successful paint job is all about proper surface preparation, and that's particularly important when you're dealing with some rusty wrought iron handrails like we have here. First thing you have to do is remove all of the rust and any of the paint chips that you may have. So you can sand that down with sandpaper or use a wire brush, or this is what I like, a wire brush attachment on a cordless drill makes it go a lot quicker. But you want to make sure that you really get everything off that you can, wipe it down. Then a very important step is applying one full coat of rust inhibiting primer. Very, very important to make sure that you cover everything, not just the rust spots. After that, 2 coats of metal paint of any color that you want, and you can apply that with a brush. It's a lot easier to use spray paint in light, even coats. Just make sure you cover everything up to prevent any overspray.